Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Java Beam and this is Satya. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate about how to create a executable jar in command prompt and run the created jar from the CMD. Yeah, uh, let me see what are the requirements and what are the things we require to create a executable jar and run your jar. First thing is we need a JDK installed in our system, JDK and JRE. Okay, then those JDK and JRE should be set in your path so that your operating system should be able to recognize the tools like Java compiler and Java runtime environment. Those are nothing but executable files, exe files. Once the path is set, then we need a notepad or Eclipse. So IDE is preferable where we can write a simple program or you can use a notepad. You can write the code and then compile, then run the code so that you just make sure that those created files are working fine. Then create a jar file. These are the not the requirements. These are the things we are going to do now. First, we'll create a file, create a Java file with main method. Then we'll compile and we will run so that we will get the dot class file here. Those using those dot class files, we will create a jar file from the command prompt. Once we create a jar file, in command prompt we will run that jar file. That is the executable jar we will run. Okay. Uh, Let me see. I have the JDK and Jerry. So simply go to program files and check JDK is available. Java JDK. I have JDK 8, so I am using JDK 8 in my path as well. Let me check Java C version. So and Java version as well we can check. So both are set to JDK 1.8. That is perfect. So my operating system able to recognize this Java compiler and Java runtime environment, and we need one more tool or executable file called jar. So that is also available. That's the reason we got this. Yeah. So our system is ready. The path is set and JDK is available. Everything is ready. Let me go to Eclipse and yeah, here I have a simple program. Demo is a class name and I have main method. Let me keep only single line. Welcome to main. Uh, Create your own jar and run. So to go to that path, we need to just select the project or the package and go to properties. In that properties, you can see location. This is my location and click on this arrow so that you will be landed in the folder path. That folder path will be opened. Yeah, now I'm in this path. So from here also we can open command line. But okay, let me copy this and go to command line. I have copied the project path. I'm opening a command prompt. So CMD command prompt I've opened and I'm going to that path. So that is in D drive. Yeah, now I am in D drive. Then I am going to source folder. In this folder, I have the class files, whatever Java files we have. These are the Java files I'm going to compile. Now to compile the Java files, in this path, okay, Java C command we need to use. This is nothing but java c.exe file that is in program files bin folder. Okay, Java C and where are our .java files? Those are inside package. So org sun is a package. inside that I am going to compile all the files. So start.java. If you want particular class like a demo, then you can keep like this. So demo.class is created. Now I'm going to compile remaining. So I'm keeping star instead of giving particular names. So dot class files are created. Let me see that dot class is executable from here. Java, to run that Java, and we have to give fully qualified name. What.sun.demo is my main class. Yeah, yeah, I'm able to run this from command line. So my dot class files are perfect. Let me create a jar file. To create jar file, we need to use jar command, jar, and to create a simple jar, we can use cf. This command is nothing but create file cf, and what is the file name is, let me say demo x.jar. This is jar file I'm going to create. And what are the source files I need to include? Those are inside Sun and all the dot plus files in this package. Yeah. So let me see this class demo x.jar is created or not. So yeah, in source we ran this command, so inside source we got this jar. But to create executable jar, we need a manifest file or meta information we required. That meta information is nothing but what is exactly the point of contact, which class going to execute when you run the jar. So that we need to specify using jar and cfe. Cf is nothing but create file and e for entry point. Cf create file with entry point. And my jar file name is demo y.jar. Now I am giving. And what is the entry point? That is my main class, where my main class is there. That is demo.class. So let me give the fully qualified name. Warji.sun.demo is my entry point. Then what are all classes I need to include in this jar? Dependent classes. Warji/sun/ all the dot class files. So just enter so that you will get executable jar that is under source folder. Demo y.jar is we have created. So I said we need a manifest file, and which will be created if you use command like cfe create file. E is for entry point. That entry point is warj.sun.demo, and my jar file name is demo y.jar. And these what are all classes I'm going to include inside jar. Let me extract the jar and do that decompile so that we can see what are all things that jar command is created with these options. So for that we need a decompiler. If you don't have decompiler, you can skip this, or if you want to know, you can watch my previous videos. Okay, I will give the previous video description or link in the below video description. Decompiler I have in download folder. So inside downloads I have decompiler. This is a decompiler, that is executable jar. So to run that jar we need to use java-jar, and I'm running. Okay, this is the decompiler. So in this decompiler we will give our jar file so that we'll see what is the source. I just drag and drop I did, and I in decompiler we can see these things like this is our package we included. So these are classes demo.class and swing demo.class and manifest.mf. This is meta information. This is required for executable file. This is the entry point. It is, you can observe the main thing, like what is the main class going to execute when you run your jar. Main hyphen class, and that is what is Thunder demo. If you see previous file, that doesn't contain what is the main class name. Yeah, here you can see there is no main class name. Here there is a main class name because we have given command cfe, that is create file with entry point. Entry point is watch.sun.demo. So due to that, it created that entry point here. Let me run this jar file whatever we have created. So that jar file is demo.y.jar, right? To run that executable jar, we need to use a jar command. Not a jar command, Java command, Java hyphen jar we need to use to run that jar. And what is the jar file name? This is demo.y.jar. Just click on enter. So here command is Java hyphen jar and the jar file name. Just enter. Yeah. So whatever in my main method, welcome to main, create your own jar and run. That is got printed. That's the only thing I have given in that main, so that got printed. Let me give you some more things. I have a small swing pop-up, so I'm adding here. Let me compile and create a jar file now. Here again I am compiling, so Java C I am compiling R, and now I am creating a jar file. So create a jar file. What is the command? Jar hyphen cfe create file with the entry point. Entry point is watch.sun.demo, and before that we need to give what is the jar file name. The jar file name is demo.j.jar. We need to give the dot jar as well, that extension. So here the command and the jar file name and the entry point class name, and these are the included dot class. Waji sun, then star dot class. That's it. Yeah. Now demo.j.jar got created. Let me run that newly created jar file, that is demo.j. To run that jar file, we need to use a command java hyphen jar and demo.j.jar. These three things we need to mention. Just enter. So this is my swing pop-up which I included. This is coming, and from here I can choose, like it is saying you are not authorized, do you still want to continue? This is just warning pop-up, and click yes, no or cancel, so that I will store that whatever input here. So let's say I click no. Yeah, like you press no, that is good here. So hope you understand how to create a jar file, like executable jar, and how can you run that jar file using command prompt. So recap on what we have learned so far. Like we have seen JDK jar existed or not, and we have seen that Java C commands, Java C and Java runtime environment, Java and jar commands. These commands we have seen, and Eclipse we have created a small hello world program and uh, compiled. After compiling, I ran the dot file. Also, I created jar file with the entry point, and I ran the executable jar. And you have seen the output as well, that swing pop-up as well you have seen. So hope you understood on end-to-end how to create a jar file in command prompt. Thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel Java Beam. Signing off.